Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload pattern drafting and sewing tutorials once a week or twice a week. But in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to draft and cut a princess dart bustier. Please do watch to the end of the video, you will get it all. And also please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you notify whenever I upload. Please do like this video, and also I would like to see your comments in the comment section below. And I'm going to show you the measurements we are going to use for this pattern drafting today. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches, shoulder to bust point measurement 10.5 inches, round bust measurement 42 inches, shoulder to underbust 14 inches, round underbust 35 inches, shoulder to waist measurement 17 inches, round waist measurement 36 inches, shoulder to blouse length is 25 inches, round hip measurement is 42 inches, the armhole measurement is 18 inches, and the bust span measurement is 8 inches. Let's start. We're starting with indicating our starting line here, like our starting point. Now we are going to take our body down measurement, or you call it your vertical measurement. Our armhole 18 divided by 2 will give us 9 inches. The bust point measurement 10.5 inches. The underbust measurement 14 inches. Waist measurement 17 inches. Full blouse length 25 inches. The blouse length is 24 inches plus 1 inch for hemming allowance. In all will give us 25 inches. These are armhole or chest line measurements. This is the normal blouse length. That's 24 plus 1 inch hemming allowance. Now we are going to draw our shoulder measurement. Our shoulder measurement is 16 divided by 2 will give us 8 inches. Here is our 8 inches. Coming down, our shoulder is not straight. We come down by 1 inch here. I'm going to take my neckline or neck depth width, neck width with 4 inches. We are going to connect to the neck with diagonally this way, then go up with ½ inch shoulder joining allowance. Now at our chest line or armhole line, we are going to also take our shoulder measurement to connect to the shoulder line. Now we are going to take our bust span measurement. Our bust span measurement is 8 inches divided by 2 will give us 4 inches. Here, starting from our bust point measurement, we are going to take 4 inches here, 4 inches here, 4 inches here at the blouse length. Also going to take 4 inches. We are going to connect with your straight ruler. Now to start with, at our bust point measurement, we are going up with ½ inch this way. There is ½ inch. Our underbust, we are going to take 3 inch, 1.5 inches on both sides. This way, we are going to place it here. This side, we are taking 1.5 inches. Here, we are taking 1.5 inches. In all, will give us 3 inches. At the waistline, we are going to take 1 inch on both sides. 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side. In all will give us 2 inches. At the blouse length, we're also going to take 1 inch on both sides. In all will give us 2 inches. Now here is our armhole line. This is our armhole line. Here is our bust point line. Here is our under bust line. Here is our waistline. Here is the blouse full length line. Here we are going to come down. We are going to measure what is left for us. We have 8 inches. We are going to divide it into 2. Now at this one, we have 4 points up here, 4 points here. Then here also we are going to come down by 2. And that 2 inches that we came down with, we are going to go up diagonally also 2 inches. Here we have 2 inches here. Here we go up with 2 inches. Here we have ½ inch. At this place, in all we have 3 inches. Here in all we have 2 inches. At the blouse length we have 2 inches. Now we are going to connect. We are going to draw a line this way, or we use our somehow curved ruler to curve it this way. Now from this we divide this into 2. Our armhole, we divide it into 2, which is 4 inches. From that line we are going to connect to our bust point line at the dot line there. From there we are going to connect to 1.5 inches that we came out with this way. We are going to connect to 1 inch that we also took this way. Then we connect it downward this way. Now from here I'm going to use a free hand to give it a bust curve. Use your free hand to make it to blend somehow. Then you connect this way to the waistline, then downward. Then you blend it very well so that it will not be all that sharp at the bust area. Now we are going to take our neck depth. I'm going to take 4.5 inches for my neck depth. This way. Then use our armhole curve ruler to give it a nice round neck shape. This is for our neckline. Why we came out with 2 inches here is that when you join here, this side will be shorter, so that as we came up with 2 here, after joining here, it will rhyme together. Now we are going to take our round body measurement. Our bust measurement is 42 divided by 4 will give us 10.5 inches. Here we have 5 inches. Placing that 5 inches on the other side to get our 10.5 inches for. Here is our 10.5 inches here. Now our under bust measurement here, we have 2.5 inches here. We are going to place it on the other side. These are 2.5 inches here. Then the under bust measurement is 35 divided by 4 will give us 8.75. Here is our 8.75 here. Then our waist measurement, here we have 3 inches. We are going to place the 3 inches here. Our waist measurement is 36 inches divided by 4 will give us 9 inches. Here is our 9 inches. Then the round hip measurement is 42 divided by 4 will give us 10.5 inches. Here is 3 inches. We place it this way, at the second that line, to get our 10.5 inches. We are going to connect. We are not going to connect it this way. These are the line, this way and this way. We are going to put it this way, because when you join it, it will come in and it will balance. We are going to connect it this way. Use our hip curve ruler to give the hip part of the down part a hip curve shape. Now we are going to take our seam allowance. We are taking 2 inches for seam allowance. Up to the down part. We are going to connect. Use our hip curve ruler this way. Now we are going to go up with 1 inch in order to give it a curve shape so that it will not be sharp at the edge there. Now our armhole, we are going to go up somehow here with ½ inch. You go up here with ½ inch. Use your armhole curve ruler to connect it this way. Now this is all for our princess that bustier. I'm going to cut. Follow that curve this way. Cut it this way. Then here you consider the curve here. Then here you give it a curve shape. Follow it gradually so that you get that curve accurately. This is our center side, our front center side, our front side. Now I'm going to cut our front center part too. Give it also that curve. Now we're going to remove our neckline. Your neckline, the measurement depends on you. You can use 6 inches based on how low you want it to be. You can use 3 inches if you want it to be a high neck. Now, why we came up with 2 inches here, I'm going to show you why we came up with 2 inches here. Let's assume that we are joining the front side with the center, with the front center side. Now here is from the down, you join from the down this way, join it this way, join it this way, so that when you reach at this place, it will run this way. It will run. But had it been we didn't come up with that 2 inches, it will stop here. To stop at this line, and this place will be useless and it will not give you a fine look. And also you cut this too, you cut this unfold. Cut this too, then you cut this unfold. Thank you for watching. Please do give it a try, and also please do subscribe to my channel and the notification bell. If there's any question, do leave it at the comment section below. Thank you as you watch. God bless you all. Bye.